The United States Embassy to Zimbabwe has confirmed that they are shutting down all health programs they were undertaking after President Mnangagwa directed Minister of Foreign Affairs to abandon Memorandum of Understanding negotiations. The MOU was supposed to run for 5 years, supporting health programs, HIV/AIDS prevention, TB, malaria, and more. Zava namashoko kuda panguva ino tichiona kuti aiwa the United States regrets government of Zimbabwe decision on health assistance to Zimbabwe. Not more subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa my statement mobile kwa mchinzi. The government of Zimbabwe has communicated its decision to withdraw from negotiations on a proposed bilateral health memorandum of understanding MOU with the United States. This MOU would have provided $367 million over 5 years to support Zimbabwe's priority health programs, including HIV/AIDS treatment and prevention, tuberculosis, malaria, maternal and childbirth, and disease outbreak preparations. We believe this collaboration would have delivered extraordinary benefits for Zimbabwean communities, especially the 1.2 million men and women and children currently receiving HIV treatment through US-supported programs, said US Ambassador to Zimbabwe, Pamela Tremond. We will now turn to the difficult and regrettable task of winding down our health assistance in Zimbabwe. The proposed MOU represented the largest potential health investment in Zimbabwe by any international funder and was built on a co-funding model designed to ensure sustainability and a path toward self-reliance. The MOU asked Zimbabwe to gradually increase its own health funding alongside US support, building on a more than $1.9 billion in US health support to Zimbabwe. Ma developments ari kuda panguva ino muri Zimbabwe munoti kudii pamusoro aiwa pechitiko ichi tichiona Zimbabwe mutungamiri wenyika achibloka achiramba achiri kwete izvi atizvidi. Munoti kudii pamusoro aiwa panguva ino tichiona kuti ma health services akanga aprovidwa neUnited States abva amisiwa. Kana kumese kuchemeredzwa funguro enyu matodii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like chat on the bell icon.